Good day, my name is Blake Cawley. I'm the product manager for the Ametek Factory Automation Group of Products. The Factory Automation division of Ametek is a sensor company that focuses on linear, rotary, and level solutions. We provide linear, rotary, and level feedback sensors in a wide variety of package styles and outputs that connect seamlessly to the Rockwell automation PLCs and drives. If the machine moves, we are sure to have a solution to help track its position and report it to the PLC. We also offer our Similex safety meter that can be used to measure stopping time of machines in motion to ensure they are compliant with OSHA regulations. If you need help in determining where to position light curtains, 2-hand controls, or e-stop buttons, the Similex safety meter can help. Rockwell Automation and Ametek partner together to deliver positioning and level solutions to help automate today's sophisticated machinery. Ametek Factory Automation supports a variety of industries, including steel, fluid power, tire and rubber, forest products, pulp and paper, stamping, water, wastewater, petrochemical, and factory automation. Reach out to your local Allen Bradley distributor to learn more about the Ametek Factory Automation solutions.